Good morning guys, welcome back to a new vlog. It's officially Vlogmas. I'm really excited. I've been binging everybody's videos. This is my first year where I actually decided I was gonna do it, and I still didn't really get through the first week, but we're gonna go strong from now on. We're gonna vlog every day and get a new video up consistently, at least throughout the next month. I am currently at Cafe Fresco, which is actually closed. I'm really sad. Pretty much every plan that we made this morning didn't actually go through, but it's fine because we went by the bistro and I got a latte, so I'm feeling a little bit more peppy now. And our plan for now, I'm with Kyle. He's behind the camera. Our plan now is to find some food. I was so excited to try Cafe Fresco.
So yeah, basically the plan is to find what we want to eat and then find where we want to eat.
What do we want to eat? I kind of want, honestly, I'd be down for toast. Toast. Again.
I've had enough of toast.
Have you?
For now, yeah. We've been there.
What did you get last time? We go to Toast a lot. I feel like I said this in my last vlog, but I don't mind going again, honestly. It's my favorite breakfast spot.
It's an option. It's
really hot. Kyle and I are in the car. We somehow ended up back at the bistro, and Kyle ordered his food. I'm not getting anything. I'm actually not hungry anymore because I had all that coffee. Look who it is. This is Suresh.
They said no cameras allowed.
Hey guys, so I'm back home. Like I said, or maybe I didn't say, Kyle and I ended up going back to the bistro to get food. Kyle got food. I didn't get any food. I just didn't want anything anymore. I'm back home. The bistro didn't have any Wi-Fi, so I just came back home to finish up some work for work. Around 5:30 I'm gonna go to the gym, and I'm really excited because I'm starting a new class with some people that I met the other night when I went out, and I think it's gonna be really fun. I'm not gonna bring the camera with me because this is my first time actually hanging out with these people, and we're going to the gym. We're gonna work out, and it's also my first time taking the class, so I'm going to let you guys know how the class goes. It's supposed to be like a soca dance aerobics, some kind of situation, but I will let you guys know how it goes when I get back. Alright guys, I'm back from the gym. The dance class was actually really fun. My arms are killing me right now because after the class we went downstairs into the actual weight room and did arms and shoulders, and I can barely lift my arms right now. The dance class was a really good workout. There was a lot of kicking and steps, and honestly I can't do choreography. Like, if there's just music playing, I can vibe, I can do whatever, you know, have a good time. But once you throw some choreography in there and I have to remember the steps and stuff, it's a struggle. It was a whole struggle today, but it was actually still really fun. Definitely broke a sweat. It was a good workout, and yeah, I'm really happy that I recovered from leg and abs day on Friday in time for this class, because otherwise I don't know how I would have made it through. But yeah, it was a good day, good workout, a good end to the day, and I'm gonna definitely try to get to the gym again tomorrow. I'm about to edit this video, take a shower first, edit this video, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Make sure you like this video and subscribe, and check out my past vlog for more.